So when I turned 50, I had my annual physical, and Dr. Kennison ordered me a Cologuard, and it sat there, and it sat there, and it sat there, and it expired. So I threw it away. I went to work. I'm a nurse with the PCP office, so I went to work, and we were talking, and one of the nurses said, well, why didn't you do it? And I said, I don't know. I just didn't. I'm not having symptoms. And probably about 3 days later, another box arrived at my home. And I let it sit there for a couple more months. And I remember it was Mother's Day of 23. I said, you know what? I'm going to do it. So I did the Cologuard. I mailed it in. A few days later, I got the results, and it was a positive Cologuard. So as everyone knows, if you have a positive Cologuard, you then need to have an actual colonoscopy. I got scheduled with Dr. Walters down at Benbrook, GIM Benbrook. I wasn't having symptoms. I wasn't real worried about it. When I was done, he said, we found a 33 millimeter polyp. As you know, the larger the polyp, the greater the chance of cancer. He says, but I don't talk cancer until we get the pathology. So pathology came back, and it was adenocarcinoma. He also then told me that I was very, very, very lucky. He said, Greta, he said, if you would have drug your feet any longer, we would have been looking at a different path forward. We set up with Dr. Szabo, phenomenal general surgeon with Independence, and almost an entire month later, September 7th of 23, I was having 8 inches of my sigmoid colon removed. The surgery was, it was intense, a little bit of a rough recovery, but I am feeling great. And I was actually one of the fortunate ones because I did not have to have chemo or radiation. I just needed a resection. The care that I received from Dr. Szabo from start to finish was phenomenal. Felt extremely comfortable with him the first time I met him for the evaluation in the office. Every day that I was in the hospital, I saw his face and couldn't have asked for better care because literally they saved my life. So, my name's Greta, and I got absolutely excellent care with Independence Health System.